metal. Oh, he made a beach. That is so cool. Alright. I feel like I'm in freaking Dinotopia or something. Oh crap. How am I trying to get down from this hill? Whoa! Almost landed to the mulberry bush. Sorry about the shaker, it's so hard to keep still. Swing it in. Drive it up there.
Thank you. No bush mole. Don't say rude things, you idiot.
I think hands like cinnamon.
Is there something else?
How is that even rude?
Alright. No worries.
You idiot, you can't.
What do you got? What do we got? Coffee.
You cunt.
Oh, this is a very intelligent girl over here. Oh yeah.
Hey Shazza, it's Kylie.
What are you cooking there, woman?
Penises. Oh shit.
Rah! Did you get scared?
Well, oh.
So you can tell the camera world, why you got a backpack on?
I'm cold. And it's comfy.
It's a birthday present from Daddy. So what are you up to?
I'm being bored.
Hiding.
I'm destroying a tree.
Great.
Gonna need more wood. Shitload more wood.
Yeah, what a cool setup we got here, look at this. Look at this, we've got bread. We've got katumba. We've got a bit of grog. I'm drinking Jim Beam. I'm drinking Southern Comfort. Got some potatoes. And a couple of sausages. A little gas cooker, it's really good. Bread. Some grits and fennel salad, fennel and shit. Rope. Fire starters.
Rope.
Rope. Got some rope. Got the wooden spoon for a bit of smacking.
Fuck you.
Hey, what's your language?
Piss off.
How immature. Camping equipment there. Bag, blanket, some water, sleeping bags, a couple of pillows, a bit of mud. Drove around here and drove around there. There's a bit of a stomp thing happening there. Excuse that little teenager over there, she's still feral. She hasn't been educated in the art of behaviour. Okay. Oh, how cute. It's called Love in Nature.
I bet she's gonna put that YouTube called Love in Nature.
Love in Nature and Free Sausages. It's a good name for a video.